13 islands have reportedly vanished or disappeared from maps due to various reasons, including natural disasters, sea level rise, cartographic errors, or myths. Here are notable examples of whole islands that have vanished or were found to be phantom islands. Island in the South Pacific, Nyiragongo volcano's eruption impact. In 2002, Nyiragongo volcano in Africa erupted violently. The lava flow destroyed nearby villages and changed the landscape drastically. While not an island's usual vanishing, it shows how volcanic eruptions can wipe out entire land sections quickly. Sometimes, the land is so altered that it's as if the island disappeared. The lost island of Thule. Thule appears in ancient texts, describing a distant northern land. Many believe it disappeared over time due to changing climates and rising seas. Some scientists think erosion and glacial melt transformed or submerged the landmass, erasing its existence from maps. It's a tale of how climate and geological shifts can bury history. The Rapa Nui, Easter Island, crisis. Easter Island is famous for its giant statues. Over centuries, overuse of resources, deforestation, and soil erosion weakened the land. Climate swings and rising seas steadily ate away at its shoreline. Today, much of the island is smaller, and its iconic moai stand in weathered silence, warning of land loss through human impact. Burt Island's sudden vanishing. Satellite images have captured Burt Island, part of the Great Barrier Reef, shrinking and then disappearing in a span of just a few years. Scientists believe intense storms and rising sea levels chipped away at the land, flooding and then erasing it. Changes in weather patterns can have fast and harsh effects. The disappearance of islands in the Nicobar group. Indian Ocean islands like Great Nicobar have seen parts vanish after tsunamis struck the region. Seabed shifts and underwater upheavals pushed landmasses below sea level. Recent events like the 2004 Indian Ocean tsunami underscore how powerful natural disasters can wipe out entire islands quickly. The vanishing of During Harbour Island. During Harbour, off Long Island, was once a popular spot. But coastal storms, wave erosion, and rising seas gradually wore away this small island. Monitoring efforts showed its landmass shrank until it disappeared altogether, a reminder how fragile some islands are. Phantom islands. These are islands that appeared on maps for some time but were later found not to exist. Examples include Sandy Island in the Coral Sea, which appeared on maps from the late 19th century, but was found to be non-existent in 2012 after scientific expeditions found only open ocean. Isle Felipos in Lake Superior, which was referenced in treaties but later determined not to exist. Pepeus Island, a misidentification of the Falkland Islands. Other phantom islands such as New South Greenland, Nimrod Islands, and Sarah an Island were likely illusions caused by icebergs, fog, or mirages. Islands lost due to natural causes or sea level rise. Loharchara Island in India's Sundarbans Delta disappeared in 2006 due to rising sea levels caused by climate change, displacing over 10,000 people. Islands in Micronesia and the Solomon Islands have recently vanished or shrunk significantly due to sea level rise, with some losing up to 60 to 70% of their land area within a decade. The Kiribati Islands in the Pacific are also at risk of disappearing due to flooding and saltwater intrusion.
The story of vanished islands shows us how powerful natural forces are, and how human activity speeds up the process. From volcanic eruptions to rising seas, many factors contribute to these disappearances. These events warn us to pay attention and act. Protecting our planet and supporting climate action can help safeguard the remaining land masses. Working together, we can slow down or stop some of these disappearances and preserve the world's unique islands for future generations.